You will never throw away the disposable shavers again. It has happened to all of us that after using a shaver once or twice, it ends up being useless and we end up throwing it away. Many people even buy dozens of shavers every month. Today, I will teach you 2 very useful tricks that will help you reuse the disposable shavers you were thinking of throwing away. I assure you that after today, you will not throw them away. Here I have some shavers that I have used several times and that do not cut. I will take one of them and pass it through my forearm. As you can see, it no longer works at all. And to explain to you how this trick works, the first thing I will do is take a medium-sized container. First, I will separate the shaver with which we will do the trick of the others. I will place it inside the container. Then I will drink very hot water, and I will pour it into the container to leave it for a minute while I slowly stir. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting at the end of the videos. Once the minute passes, I will take it out of the container. Now I'm going to try it on my forearm. Look at how well it works. This trick is amazing. Remember that for it to work, the water needs to be very hot. The second trick to reuse them is using jeans or jeans. Take the shaver and pass it through the pants for 30 seconds in the opposite direction of the blades. Then do the same on the other side for 30 seconds more. When using it on the body, you will notice that it will be very sharp. Now I will share an extra trick with you. If you have clothes with hair and fluff, the shavers work very well for this. You just have to pass it through the clothes with fluff very carefully. You will see how they will come out easily. This is an alternative for camping days or for a short time. I hope this information is helpful. If you know any other trick of the shaver, leave it below. I'm always reading your suggestions. Today's greeting is for Christina Lara from the United States and for Lizette Cortez from Costa Rica. Thank you for watching this video. I say goodbye, wishing you rich blessings.